Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Creality Ender 3S1 3D printer, a feature-rich upgrade to the popular Ender 3 V2. Before we dive in, if you're excited to get started with 3D printing or upgrade your current setup, check out the link in the description below to grab this printer at the best price. Let's start with what makes the Creality Ender 3S1 so impressive. First up is the Direct Drive Extruder, which is a game changer for working with different types of filaments, especially flexible materials like TPU. It provides more precise control over extrusion, ensuring smoother prints with fewer errors. One of my favorite features is the CR Touch Auto Leveling System. Leveling the bed manually can be a hassle, especially for beginners, but with this feature, the printer automatically adjusts the bed for a perfect first layer every time. This saves so much time and frustration, letting you focus on designing and printing. The high-precision double Z-axis screw design significantly improves stability during printing. Whether you're working on tall models or intricate details, this feature ensures your prints come out smooth and accurate without the wobbling issues you might experience with single-axis setups. Another standout feature is the silent motherboard, which makes this printer ultra-quiet during operation. This is a huge plus if you're running it in your home or office and don't want the noise to disturb your workflow or relaxation. The 8.6 by 8.6 by 10.6 inch printing size is perfect for most projects, whether you're working on small prototypes, artistic designs, or functional components. It's compact enough to fit on a desk while offering enough room for creative flexibility. If you're familiar with the Ender 3 series, you'll appreciate the improvements in the S1 model, like upgraded assembly components and enhanced precision. And if you're a beginner, this printer is a fantastic starting point. The setup process is straightforward, and the included instructions are easy to follow. The Creality Ender 3S1 is also highly customizable, with a growing community of users sharing mods and upgrades. Whether you want to add a filament runout sensor or upgrade the hot end, the possibilities are endless. Overall, this printer delivers a perfect mix of performance, reliability, and user-friendliness at a price point that's hard to beat. If you're looking for a 3D printer that offers professional-grade features without breaking the bank, the Ender 3S1 is the one to go for. So, what are your thoughts on the Creality Ender 3S1? Is it the right upgrade for you? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.